Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most sought-after products for our furry friends, Benebones, specifically designed for aggressive chewers. If you're looking for a durable chew toy that keeps your dog engaged and satisfied, you're in the right place. Benebones have been making waves in the pet industry, and for good reason. They're crafted with tough materials and designed to withstand even the strongest chewers. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the top-rated Benebone models available. Known for its ergonomic design and irresistible bacon flavor, this model is a favorite among many dog owners. Designed to promote dental health while providing a satisfying chewing experience. Perfect for larger dogs, offering a unique design that keeps them engaged for hours. What sets Benebones apart from other chew toys? Well, it's all about the construction. These toys are made from durable nylon and infused with real flavors like bacon or chicken. They're not only tough but also safe for your dog to chew on. Let me show you how easy it is to introduce a Benebone to your dog. Start by giving them the toy and watch as they immediately engage with it. The ergonomic shape allows for a comfortable grip, and the textured surface helps clean teeth and gums as they chew. Safety is always a priority. It's important to choose the right size Benebone for your dog's breed and chewing strength to prevent any accidents. And that wraps up our review of the best Benebones for dogs. Perfect for those aggressive chewers who need a durable, engaging toy. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product reviews and pet care tips from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.